Hey you guys, so this is going to be the triggers feature in Click. Now this is basically the glue that holds Click together, and it's going to connect every single portion of Click down to contact details to other portions of Click, to pipeline, to the calendar, to marketing campaigns. There's just so much to be seen here and to play with. So let's add a new folder. That's going to be our first step. We'll just say test folder. Then we'll add a rule. Test rule. There we go. So it's going there, and then we can start. So this is going to be the trigger. This is what's going to trigger this performance, this action. So we can say, I'll do a really popular one. So deal one, we'll say once in the sales pipeline, the deal is won. It is clicked and dragged to one. It is status is one. We are going to add them to a campaign. Now, typically when a deal is won, I will add the client, the new client, to an onboarding campaign, a new client onboarding campaign. We'll pretend that says that here. And then you can do a lot. So not only that, you can maybe send an SMS message to yourself saying, hey, there's been a deal that's been won. You can also do that in notifications, but it's just an example. You can do that for every single time one of your users sells a deal, so on and so forth. We can also add a collaborator. We can change the stage. In this example, it would not be relevant. You know what I mean? But you can change a stage as a result of a different action, as a result of a different event. There's just so much you can do. I'll typically add them to the campaign. I'll create a task for myself to file away the physical paperwork. And then I will add a tag. I can add a tag that says client so that when I search in the contacts for client, every single person that I have slid in the pipeline to one will come up. So I know that I am truly looking at every single one of my clients all in one. I can also, whenever somebody says, maybe they cancel, there's a price increase, there's a rate increase on their premium, and they want to cancel. They want to no longer be a client. I can just go in there. I can create a trigger, guys, so that when that happens, it actually removes that tag and adds a separate one, maybe win back. And I can make it so that when something is tagged as win back, and we can create a new tag right here, just so you know, create win back. It enrolls them into a different campaign. We'll say campaign number 11 is win back campaign, and it'll slowly drip on it. It'll slowly send them messages. It'll slowly send them texts, emails, video emails, trying to win their business back. That's very common. There's just so much potential in the triggers of Click. It would take hours to go through every single possibility because it really is endless. A big reason it's endless is because you can also connect webhooks. I have seen people connect a Facebook ads campaign to a webhook to a direct mailer service that will send out direct mailers as a result of filling out a Facebook ads campaign while the text messages, while the emails and everything are being sent out. It's phenomenal. There's just so much potential in the triggers portion of this. That's all I got. Have a great one.